During the acceptance, turnover, and blessing ceremonies for the new C-295W with tail number 217, the Philippine Air Force also displayed one of its C-130 Hercules transport aircraft, equipped with the Airdyne Special Airborne Mission Installation and Response Maritime Patrol Aircraft. Back in 2018, Max Defense Philippines was the first to report about this new capability provided by the U.S. government to the Philippine Air Force that allows the C-130 Hercules transport aircraft to double as a maritime patrol aircraft equipped with surface search radar, imaging turret, and operating consoles. The aircraft remains under the control of 220th Airlift Wing, although sensor operators are from the 300th Air Intelligence and Security Wing. Courtesy, thanks to Max Defense Philippines.